Well, hello everyone and welcome to this review of Descript. Is it the best AI video editing tool? Well, Descript is an AI video editing tool that's truly changing how we create content. It lets you edit video and audio by simply editing text, making the process incredibly intuitive. We'll cover its key features, pricing, pros and cons, and so at the end, you'll know what you should consider before using it. We have the link to Descript in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. When it comes to the features, Descript's standout feature is its text-based editing. It transcribes your media, allowing you to cut, copy, and paste text to edit your video and audio. Beyond that, it packs powerful AI tools. You have AI voice overdub, where you can generate voiceovers or clone your voice for seamless audio inserts. You have filler word removal, where you can automatically eliminate the ums, the ahs, and other common distractions. Then you have studio sound, where you can clean up audio by removing background noise and optimizing voice levels. Then you have eye contact, where you get to adjust your gaze in video to maintain direct eye contact with the camera. You also have screen recording options, where you can easily capture your screen for tutorials and presentations. When it comes to the pricing, Descript offers flexible plans to fit different needs. The free plan includes 1 transcription hour and 720p watermarked exports. The hobbyist plan is at $24 per month and it offers 10 transcription hours, 1080p watermark-free exports, and 20 uses of basic AI actions. The creator plan comes at $35 per month. It provides 30 transcription hours, 4K watermark-free exports, and unlimited basic and advanced AI actions like eye contact. This is a great recommendation for serious creators. And then you have the business plan at $65 per month. It includes 40 transcription hours, unlimited access to professional AI features, and priority support. As with any service, we have the pros and the cons. Starting on the bright side, you have intuitive editing. Because it's text-based editing, it makes it incredibly easy to learn. Then it's also a major time saver. You can expect professional quality, and it's excellent for collaboration. On the flip side with the cons, it's resource intensive and it can demand a lot from your computer, especially for complex projects. Internet dependent. It does require a stable internet connection to function optimally. In conclusion, Descript is a game changer for content creators. It's unique. Text-based editing combined with powerful AI tools simplifies complex tasks, saving you time and improving quality. It's definitely an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their video and audio production. Don't forget to check out the link to Descript in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.